Okay, so now for multiplication. It's similar to subtraction, but without the plus sign. So instead of using these big numbers up here, because it's going to give us a huge total, we're going to use these numbers, B7 through I7. So you're going to always use the equal sign. Then you're going to click on B7, use a star sign or asterisk, control C7, and then you're going to keep going through those steps. Just remember to hit control when you're clicking on the cell that you want to multiply. Okay, this is going to be the same thing with division. If we're going to do division, we're going to do B7, and then we're going to use this sign. Then we're going to click a C7, use the division sign, D7, division sign, E7, and so forth. I don't have to keep. Remember to click control when you're choosing the cell that you would like to divide. So then after you're at the last cell, you don't have to put the sign again. You just press enter and it'll give you this is going to be a long number. That's why it looks like this. But let's say I just wanted to divide 12 by B7 by I7 so that I can show you that it does work. So the first thing I'm going to do is put the equal sign and then click control B7 as diagonal slash to I7. Now let's see if this gives us the right answer. Right there, 12 divided by 6 is 2. So same with the multiplication, but you're going to use asterisks.